After receiving the main unit, swipe left on the home page and click to bind the Tuya gateway. After binding, you will be able to see the configured scenes and devices.
Gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold out the palm of your hand.
On the home page, you can access the music, Bluetooth, AUX, and settings interfaces.
When everything gets in the way, seems you cannot be replaced.
In the settings interface, you can perform network binding. You can adjust the page display settings. You can also configure smart home, seeing devices, and sensors.
It's just us. You know it's not the same as it was.
You can also enable the night mode by adjusting the settings.
You know it's not the same. Answer the phone.
In the advanced settings, you can configure language, local time, and more.